So Saturday morning, we've just woken up. Just moored just off of Polcaris. Oh, it's a lovely morning. Check this out. A couple of boats in here. What a place to wake up to, eh? Here's the inside of the Della. This drops into a double bed. This is why it's called a Della 41 DS, because this is a deck saloon, is what the DS stands for. So you can actually sit there and see out the windows, where a lot of boats you're sat lower than the window. And then you've got galley kitchen. There's a bunk in there, another bedroom, navigation area, kitchen, forward cabin at the front, that's another double, and then shower, toilet, microwave, fridge, and then we got a big power inverter in here as well, which powers that microwave, which is there. That's the inside of a Della 41. Time to set sail. Now heading up to Fowey, where we'll spend tonight on the pontoon. As you can see, Holly is enjoying herself. She loves it on the boat, she does.
Yeah, otherwise you get otherwise you catch on the spreaders. Yeah, there you go. That's what I said to that. Go on, keep going. Hang on. Right, go on.
So we're all moored up. We're now on the pontoon. Now going to head over into the village of Fowey. Have a little look around. Grab a bite to eat. Probably an ice cream. So we popped into Ruby's for an ice cream. These were pretty spectacular actually. They say there's 2 scoops, but it's more like 4 scoops by the time you get it. So if you ever get the chance, definitely pop into Ruby's and get an ice cream. You will not be disappointed. So that was our little trip to Fowey. Now heading off after having a night over and heading back towards the Helford River. Not much wind running, but enough hopefully just to take us along steady. So currently on a course heading towards the Lizard, heading out of Fowey, so we've gone past Scoring Haven. We're not going to the Lizard, we will cut back in towards some moors eventually. Got a nice bit of breeze, got the Code Zero up, which is that great big sail there, and there's a few other boats we're gaining on us, but we've since we put that up we've left them behind, so you can see them all over there. Back there, look. Oh, this is nice. Don't get much better than this. Oh, look at this. Heard of dolphins coming in, look at them. Oh, this is awesome. I haven't seen dolphins like this for many years. Wow. That's pretty much finished off our trip, to be honest with you. And you couldn't have finished it off any better. We're literally just heading into the Helford River, just in the mouth. Probably another couple of miles to go. And we've just come across all these dolphins following us. That's pretty special, this is.